Welcome everyone! In order to enter recovery mode in the Google Pixel 7, the first step is we're going to press and hold both the power key and the volume up key together for 10 seconds. Then we're going to release the power and volume up key, and we're going to press and hold the power and volume down key until we are brought into the recovery mode. So don't just leave the video, let's do this together. So get your Google Pixel 7 ready. And we're going to start off by pressing power and volume up in 3, 2, 1. So press on power volume up and keep these two held down, do not release. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release power and volume up. Now press and hold power and volume down and just keep these two held down until you enter into the recovery mode. So do not release your fingers at all, just keep them held down where they are. May get a little bit like cramped, like my index finger hurts a little bit. And once we see the fast boot mode here, we are almost done. If you had issues doing this, just make sure you press and hold the power volume up, power volume down keys for the exact amount of time, which I do. That's why I say, watch the video while you were doing it at the same time. In the future, Android may make it so fast boot mode can only be accessible by connecting your Google Pixel 7 to the computer. So if you give this 10 attempts and you still have issues, just connect the Pixel 7 to the computer, not to the charger, just the computer, and then that should solve the issue. So once we are in the fast boot mode, you see, press the volume keys to select different menu. So we're going to click the volume up key. We're just going to keep on clicking until we see recovery mode here. If you go past it, just click the down button, okay, and we see recovery mode. So from here, we're just going to click on the power button once, so click release, and we're almost done. So it's now going to boot into recovery mode, but we see here no command. So we're going to do the following commands. We're going to long press the power key, and then we're just going to click and release the volume up key, okay, so long press power key, click release volume up, and now we see here the Android recovery. So in order to navigate the Android recovery, you use the volume buttons to go up and down in the menu. The touch screen is not supported, okay, so you can't use the touch screen, alright. And then on top of this, if you want to select something, so maybe you go into the wipe data option. In order to select the option, you click on the power button, so just click on it, and then the option is selected just like that. So I'm going to click on cancel. If you just want to reboot back, just click on the power button by reboot system now, and you should be rebooted, no problem. With that being said, thanks for watching, see you guys later, bye bye.